a quick and easy way to earn money online, then you definitely need to stick around and watch my whole video for you guys today. In today's video, I'm going to share with you a new set of websites that's going to pay you $15 per click. Now, these aren't the websites that you've already heard from us before. These websites are new and fresh and will definitely blow your mind. All of the websites that we're going to be sharing with you today is available to everyone from all parts of the world, and they're absolutely and without a doubt 100% free. If you want to know more, then make sure that you watch this entire video until the very last second of it to know everything that you need to know and to come out successful with today's website. What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money making videos every single day, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit that notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up so you can be the first to know and try it out. The first website that we're going to be sharing with you today is called Surfbox.com. This is how their website looks like. If you scroll down, you'll see that this website pays out 1 cent per click, 1 cent per referral click. They have instant payments and their statistics are detailed. Now, that might not sound like hundreds or millions of dollars, but just imagine that's per click. And in a day, you can get 500,000 clicks, and that's just a rough estimate. But let's say that you do get 500,000 clicks in a day. That's $5,000 in just one day. Still underestimating it? No? Exactly. Now, this website pays out through Payeer and Perfect Money. Unfortunately, they don't have PayPal, but don't worry because the following websites will have PayPal as one of their payment options and a whole lot more, so make sure that you stick around for that. To start making money with this website, go ahead and click on the register button, which you can find at the upper right part of your screen, and that should take you right here. And put your username, your email address, and your password, and then hit on register, and boom, there you have it, an account, and you can immediately start earning money. Next website we have is called Scarlet Clicks, and to get to their website, you can simply type in scarlet-clicks.info, and that should take you to here. And as soon as you get to their website, this is what you're going to be seeing. Click ads. Click on ads and get paid up to 1 cent each. Up to 100% referral earnings. Earn money. You can earn by clicking ads, completing offers, and referring new members. And then, cash out. You can cash out through Skrill, Nettler, Payeer, AirTM, and Bitcoin account. The minimum to cash out is just $2. So us, as members, can earn up to 1 cent per click, and there is a $2 minimum payout, and payments are done via Skrill, Nettler, AirTM, Payeer, and Bitcoin. You can earn up to 100% referral earnings. The statistics are detailed, and there are clicks and professional support. So to register here, just again look at the upper right of your screen and hit on register, and just like that, you should be able to sign up as per instruction, and boom, you'll have an account in no time. If you guys want to know how to make even more money online, make sure you check our description box down below. There's a way for you guys there to earn over $1,000 every single day, so make sure you check that out. Also, I want you guys to comment down below where you guys live, because I love reading your comments and knowing where y'all are from, and tell me about what devices you guys use, whether you're an Android or an iOS user, because I would love to know. So make sure you comment that down below, and let's get back into it. Our third and personally best website for us is called Serpclicks.com. As you can see, grow your SEO rankings using crowdsourced click traffic. Low cost, DIY option, easy to use, start in 60 seconds, real clickers, no bots. And the way this works is that when a company owner pays Serpclicks, Serpclicks will take a portion of that pay and give it out to the people who signed up as clickers, and that would be us. The best part about this platform is that you can earn 5 cents to 10 cents per click. There is a 10% referral commission, and there's a payout minimum of $5, which is insanely low and great. Now, as you can see, all of their clickers are paid out through PayPal, which is just amazing. And you won't even be required to apply anymore. Anyone from any country can work for Serpclicks. We do not filter or interview workers. This is a great option for easy money in countries with low job opportunities. So to sign up, on the homepage, just click on Product right here, then choose Become a Clicker, which will then take you to this page, and all you need to do is click on this, click here to get started button, and that should help you sign up and let you start making money right away. If you're liking this video so far, then I suggest that you give me a 2 thumbs up before the video ends later on so that I'll know you reached this part of the video. And subscribe if you still aren't subscribed to join the family. Now let's get back into the video. So our fourth and our last website is called Whysense.com, and compared to the last ones that we've shown you, this has more ways to earn. As you can see, it says that you can get paid for trying new products and services, downloading apps, signing up for websites, watching videos, and more. You can also earn cash for taking free paid surveys while influencing the next generation of products, services, and much more. And there is a referral system too. Share Whysense with your friends and watch your earnings grow. You will earn up to 30% of what your referrals make. As far as their payment methods, you can get paid through Amazon gift cards, Payoneer, PayPal, and Skrill. So there is a lot that you can choose from, which is just great. To sign up, you can just click on Join Now on the upper right corner again and follow their sign up process, and boom, start earning. And that is basically everything. Now, let's do a little recap as we always do. First website is called Surfbox.com, and what you can do here is you can click, get your referral link, get a 500,000 clicks a day, earn $5,000, and make sure that you try this out, okay? Sign up and then you can start earning. Next website that we have is called ScarletClicks.com, and what you can do here is actually also the same thing. Click on ads and then you can get paid up to 1 cent each. So Surfbox makes other people click on your ads. Scarlet Clicks, you're the one who click on ads, okay? So just go on the website, sign up, verify your email, that's very important, and then start earning. If you're appreciating today's video and really taking it all in, make sure that you like and subscribe before going any further. We would appreciate it a lot. You can also show your love by hitting the notification bell so you'll always be updated when it comes to our YouTube channel, and you won't regret it, and that we can promise you. Now keep watching because we're almost done. And then our third website is called Serpclicks.com, and in this website you're basically going to be, again, clicking on ads, or they will be clicking on our ads, and then you're going to earn from that. You can also do referrals, which is great. And then our fourth and our last website was Whysense.com. This is actually very high paying, and this is a lot of ways to earn. Try new products, download apps, sign up for websites, watch videos, and a lot more. I think you can even play games on here. So this is also great to try out. So make sure that you try all the websites together, and you'll be earning hundreds, if not thousands of dollars every single day, and you basically have to do nothing at all. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys so much for watching today's video. We finally hit 60,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. And our next goal is 70,000, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you missed anything at all. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.